Mahirap aralin yung Spanish, but I felt like mas mahirap if habang buhay ako maging paycheck to paycheck. Sobrang gastos ko, that's not the lifestyle that I was dreaming about. And yun yung motivation ko when I was studying Spanish. So, hindi ko i-romanticize yung pag-aaral ng Spanish kasi it's definitely hard. Baka lumuha ka pa sa sobrang hirap. Pero kung i-imaginein mo yung reward once you've learned Spanish, then magiging worth it lahat ng paghihirap mo. Hindi naman kasi forever yung struggle na yun. It's temporary lang. I was working 2 full-time jobs and a part-time job when I was studying Spanish. And probably, lagpas sa daliri ko yung mga moments na ayoko na talaga mag-aral, gusto ko na siyang sukuan. But every time naiisip ko na naka-cage ako sa previous work ko na I will have to forever work night shift, kami kong utang na babayaran, yun yung nagiging motivation ko to push through the struggle of learning. 6 to 7 months lang akong nagtiis and then I landed my first ever Spanish bilingual job. So what if, like, tiisin mo rin ng konti pa and then you land a job? And if you want to trigger to start learning Spanish, I have the Ultimate Spanish Self-Study Guide. It is on a 439 promo. Nakalink siya sa bio ng main account ko or just check my caption.